Ever wondered how blockchain can revolutionize maintenance data management? Well, let's dive right into it. Blockchain, a term you've probably heard in relation to cryptocurrencies, is essentially a decentralized ledger system. But it's not just for digital money, it's a technology that is transforming the way we manage maintenance data. Imagine a system that's not controlled by a single entity, but is instead distributed across multiple points. That's the beauty of blockchain. It's transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. This decentralized nature of blockchain prevents any form of data manipulation, ensuring that your maintenance data remains intact and unaltered. But it doesn't stop there. Blockchain also prioritizes data privacy. In a world where data breaches are all too common, having a system that guarantees data privacy is a game changer. Furthermore, blockchain provides comprehensive audit trails. This means every change, every update is recorded and can be traced back, enhancing accountability in industrial maintenance. With blockchain, we're not just talking about a new tool, but an entirely new way to manage maintenance data. So let's continue exploring this fascinating technology in the next segment. So, how exactly does blockchain transform the world of maintenance data management? Well, imagine a world where your asset management is enhanced, work orders are automated, service agreements are enforced, and you have real-time traceability of assets. All these are made possible with blockchain technology. It's like having a super efficient, incorruptible manager overseeing every process and transaction. Let's start with asset management. Blockchain technology creates an immutable record of every asset, from its acquisition to its lifecycle. This provides an unprecedented level of transparency, allowing for improved decision-making and efficiency. Moving on to work orders, blockchain automates these processes, reducing human error and increasing productivity. Each work order is recorded on the blockchain, providing a tamper-proof history that can be traced back at any point. When it comes to enforcing service agreements, blockchain shines by creating smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into lines of code. This means the contract automatically executes actions when conditions are met, eliminating the need for intermediaries. And who wouldn't want real-time traceability of assets? With blockchain, you can track the journey of an asset in real time, providing invaluable insights into the asset's history, condition, and location. But perhaps one of the most significant benefits of blockchain in maintenance data management is how it ensures security, transparency, and consistency. By decentralizing data, blockchain eliminates the single point of failure, making data more secure. It also offers unparalleled transparency as every transaction is visible to all parties involved. Blockchain, therefore, offers a secure and transparent alternative to traditional database systems, ensuring enhanced data integrity and privacy. Imagine the potential of a maintenance data management system powered by blockchain technology. It's like a breath of fresh air, offering a decentralized, tamper-proof ledger that prioritizes data privacy, prevents manipulation, and provides a comprehensive audit trail. This revolutionary technology is not just a concept, but a reality that's transforming the way we handle maintenance data management. Let's take a quick look back at what we've discussed today. We explored how blockchain enhances asset management, automates work orders, enforces service agreements, and enables real-time traceability of assets. We dove into how this decentralized nature ensures security, transparency, and consistency in managing master data across enterprises. But the real game changer is the potential of blockchain technology. It's a secure and transparent alternative to traditional database management systems, offering enhanced data integrity and privacy. It's a solution that's not just for today, but for the future, transforming the industry and the way we manage and secure our data. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of possibilities out there with blockchain technology in the realm of maintenance data management. We're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. If you found this video insightful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this, bringing you the most up-to-date information in the world of industrial maintenance and beyond. Thank you for watching.